Diploma o diskarte? Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, obviously, diploma. Or if I can turn back time, alisin natin yung doctorate, alisin natin yung masteral, alisin natin yung bachelor's, balik tayo nung after I graduate high school. Kasi sa Pilipinas, libre naman ang elementary at high school. I received a scholarship from AIMS, Asian Institute of Maritime Studies. And then, problema was wala akong pamasahe araw-araw. Like, kulang siya. Like, baon, pagkain. So, what I did was, I joined school pageants, I joined the school paper, I run into student elections, no? Because all of those competitions ay merong akibat na scholarship. So kung hindi ko man mapasa yung first sem ng scholarship ko, at least may mga backup. So that goes to show na clearly ang nasa isip ko is to reach that diploma. So with that, since my motivation was to get a diploma, ginawa ko lahat ng paraan ng diskarte. My father is a graduate of accountancy from FEU, and my mom also is a graduate of accountancy from Divine Word College of Legazpi, and then she had her master's in business from Wesleyan University. So parang growing up, I saw those diplomas and I saw how they used it. There are some information or knowledge na only schools can provide. And also, bukod sa knowledge, yung connections and network na nabibigay ng mga institutions. Pag-isipan mo lang, yes, maraming mga naging CEO, naging bilyonaryo na diskarte ang ginamit. But at the end of the day, come to think of it, lahat din sila ay nagpursige para magkaroon ng diploma. Kung hindi man sila, dahil medyo nagkaedad na, pansinin ninyo, yung mga anak nila, pinursige nilang magkaroon ng diploma. Bakit? Dahil sila mismo alam nila na iba yung advantage na meron ka if you have the skills and if you have the knowledge. Hanggang sa muli, remember, this is not personal. It's all person. And welcome to my zone.